Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp it also. And if you have any other queries, so please feel free to drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Then you can join our doubt clearing sessions. You can join our one-on-one sessions, online classes, and regular batches. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI entrance tests, or like TIFR, NBHM, etc. So please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay, thank you guys. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR, and the question is appeared in the MCQ section, and the question is telling us that how many natural numbers n are there such that 100 less than equals to n less than equals to 999 and the sum of the digits of n is divisible by 5. There are four options here which are 180, 120, 2000 and 90. Okay, so this is a very easy question. So now what can be done here? So as they told us that the sum of the digits of n will look like uh, will be divisible by 5. So that means the numbers are from 100 to 999. So we can write that any number will look like 100 into a plus 10 into b plus c. So our b are the 10th terms, and our a are the 100th terms, and our c are the unit terms. So we can easily write that our a plus b plus c have to be sorry, so our a5 will divides our a plus b plus c. So now after that what can be done here? Okay, so our a's have to be let us call it s, that is equals to a plus b plus c. So our 5 will divide s. Okay, so now we are going to count the valid cases. So the total number of 3-digit numbers of this kind will be 9 into 100 into 10 into 10. That means the first entry has 9 options here, the second entry has 10, and our third entry will be 10 entries here. So our total number of cases will be 900. So since the sum of the digits is uniformly distributed modulo 5, the numbers are evenly divided among the residues which are 0, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Modulo 5. Since there are 5 residue classes, so the number of the three digit numbers where our s is congruent to 0 modulo 5 will be 900 by 5, that is equals to our 180. Okay, so the final answer will be my 180. So the how many natural numbers n are there such that 100 less than equals to n less than equals to 999 and the sum of the digits of n is divisible by 5, our answer will be 180. So again I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, anything, please feel free to contact us. Then our team can organize a doubt clearing session for you. Then after that you can join our batches. So that will be beneficial for you. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.